came to wash away the sorrow and the rain. The world is crying out into the night. Shattered dreams are searching for the light. But there's a spark that lives within us all, a gentle voice that answers when we call. Through the dark we'll find a brand new day. Love will come and lead the way. Heal the world, let the Spirit rise. Lift our hands up to the